In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Forms to generate new leads. First, open your browser and head to the Google Forms homepage. Make sure you're signed into your Google account so everything saves automatically. Starting from a clean slate helps you stay focused, so choose the blank form option. This opens a fresh form where Google's built-in Gemini helper can jump in to speed things up. When the Gemini prompt appears, think of it as a quick way to describe the kind of lead capture form you want, and let the tool draft it for you. This saves time and gives you a solid starting point. In the prompt, type a short but specific description of your ideal lead form. Mention who the form is for and the information you want to collect. For example, you might ask for full name, company, role, email, phone, project needs, budget range, timeline, and how they heard about your business. You can also note the tone you want: professional, friendly, or concise. The clearer your description, the better the initial draft will match your goals. Once your description looks good, click Create. Gemini will assemble a draft set of questions based on what you wrote. You'll then see an option to Create Form. Click that to convert the draft into an editable Google form. Now you're in the editor, where you can fine-tune everything. Review each question and adjust the wording so it matches your brand voice and audience. Change question types where needed. Use short answer for names, email format for emails, and multiple choice or drop-downs for budget ranges and timelines to make responses easier to analyze. Turn on required for the must-have fields like name and email to ensure you capture essential contact details. For quality control, apply basic validation to email fields and keep phone input simple to reduce friction. Consider adding a brief introduction at the top that explains the value of filling out the form, such as what happens next, or how soon someone will be contacted. Keep it short and reassuring. If applicable, include a simple consent line in the description that clarifies how you'll use their information. Finally, reorder questions so the easy ones come first and keep the overall length lean. Short forms convert better. That's it. You've used Google Forms and Gemini to quickly generate a lead capture form and refined it so it's clear, professional, and conversion-friendly. Save your changes, and you're ready to put your form to work collecting high-quality leads.